Coming in hot, coming in hot, coming in hot. What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. Figured I would take a quick moment today in between cleaning up around here and do a mail time video because it was made apparent to me that there's other stuff in this box besides what I thought it was. I've had it for a minute, but we finally got around to having some free time, so big shout out to my boy Anthony Harville for that, and wanted to take this opportunity to show you guys that the Malibu stickers are all printed and done. If you do not know, you haven't been watching the videos, I crashed my car that I call the Malibu at Thunder Valley in Oklahoma. We're on the road to rebuilding it, and instead of just taking donations and just taking money from people because I don't feel right about that, I wanted to give them something for their donations. So there's no price on these. I have a link to my PayPal. If you'd like to get one, you could donate whatever it is. Any amount is fine and very much appreciated, and I will send you a sticker. And for everybody that already donated, because you guys were on it well before I actually had these, I had the art and we were working on it. These should be in the mail by the time you see this video, and they're going snail mail, so please, be patient. But if it gets kind of long and you're like, hey, where's my stuff? Please reach out, hit me up, let me know, and I will make sure that you get one, because we all know the postal service doesn't always work properly or correctly. So thank you for that, and don't forget to put an address. I need an address if you would like a sticker, because I can't read your mind. Just because you give me some money in PayPal, you have to put it in the note section. So don't forget that. And if you did, please write me on any of my socials, and I will make it right. So thank you to everybody. On with this. So speaking of donations and everything else, everybody has been super cool ever since I watered up my car. And I've had a lot of different people reach out for help in different ways. And in this instance, I got a bunch of Fox body suspensions sitting on a car in my backyard that's going to go under the Malibu when he gets back from the frame shop. That's the plan anyways, right? So my boy Anthony has a Fox body style vehicle. His is cooler though because it's a long row, so I'll be honest with you guys. I think it's like a Fairmont wagon. It could be the LTD. I don't know exactly what it is. If you're on here, Anthony, let me know. They're all kind of similar in my opinion, but he lowered it, and I guess he couldn't get it low enough, so he's like, hey, I got some springs, and my car's fatter because it's not a Fox body, so he's like, here, I got you. So he sent me some springs, and apparently he put something else or stuff in the box or something, so he's like, oh, you're gonna like that. So let's see what we got. All right, here we go. So this is probably gonna need to be on the car, and it says, warning, moving parts present serious risk to dick. Do not put dick in machinery. So that is awesome. That's pretty funny. He gave me some, so this is his brand here. And free dirt too. Adjustable Hammer Racing. Go give him a follow. I'll post the socials on the screen. Dude, super cool. I met him through the Sloppy Mechanics community when I did my first Rocky Mountain Race Week. And actually, if you guys remember correctly, I had the big head sticker of Happel that I was bringing around and putting in cars and being silly with. He helped me actually get the stick and all the stuff to make that happen, because I just had the sticker. I mean, I was way behind when I went to that first event, and he reached out right away, kind of saw who I was or whatever, and I was like, hey, I can do that. So please give him a follow and give him support. Awesome dude. Oh, here you go. There it is, dude. There's the whip right there. That's rad. So honky lips. Let me see my camera. I can't see if you guys can see. There you go. Bam, that's my boy Anthony right there. So thank you for that. That's rad, dude. You need to reach out to John Mitchell, because I think a little monster coming out of that thing, some Rat Pink art, would be killer. And by the way too, stickers, because again, we have our own. I don't know where you're getting your stuff, Anthony. I don't know where you guys on here are getting yours. Reach out to my buddy David from SoCal Sticker Kings. He will take care of you. He always takes care of me. And if you have one of my stickers, you have his work. So it's better than a business card, and I give them to a lot of people. So if you need stickers, please, if you can't get a hold of him or find him, reach out to me, and I will get you guys in contact. And for the main event, this is what, oh, dude, I got 2 of them. Double honky lips. Thank you, dude. So these are what I thought I was getting. So all the stickers are just a bonus. So thank you for these. I believe you said they're 175 pounds. I'm just kidding. I know I'm not gonna be able to do it, but I thought it'd be cool, like some Hulkamania. Oh, But yeah, so hopefully these will help. If not, we'll get stiffer ones or whatever. But I have no idea actually what's on the car right now, but these should be stiffer, I believe, than what we have on there. So if we can swap out and run these things, we definitely will. And if we need to get other ones, he was like, I don't really care. I don't need them. I want to help. So thank you to Anthony. Thank you to everybody that has been supportive. And I had a guy reach out too. He's got like a bunch of Chevelles and things. I guess his dad left him and he had passed away, and they're sitting in some yard that's about 3 hours north of where I live. And he's like, hey, I might have the grill parts and things you need. So all that stuff helps. And I'll try to get kind of a list together. Once we get the car back and I get a real plan of attack, and I'll be like, these are the things we're looking for. Because I got less than a year. The goal is to bring it to the big show at Rocky Mountain Race Week. Next year, they're doing a combined event. There's going to be 600 cars total. If you ever wanted to go to a drag and drive event, in my opinion, Rocky Mountain Race Week is one of the best ones there is on the planet. And the big show should open up some opportunity for you guys to go. So you've got less than a year. Get your junk together. Meet me out there. Come have some fun. Let's get the boom back and let's rip, man. I'm excited. So grab yourself a sticker. Follow my boy Anthony. Let's do some cool stuff. I gotta get back to work. You guys know what to do. Till next time, I'm out.